Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Sony headphones. So maybe for example, they're giving you issues, you want to reset them, or if you're done using them, want to sell them. To do this is pretty simple. First, just make sure they're turned off. So I'm just going to hold the power for 2 seconds, turn it off. So now to factory reset this, you're going to hold 2 buttons. So you're going to hold both the power and the noise cancellation. So hold them both at the same time for at least 10 seconds. Keep on holding to see the light start to blink. So once the light turns off, it's done, you can let go. So yeah, now if you turn them back on, you see they're in pairing mode and are not connecting to my iPhone. So if I wanted to reconnect them, I would have to remove from Bluetooth. Okay guys, thanks for watching.